welcome back. Me and Zoe are just chilling here in the back. Look, Zoe. Say hi. We are on our way to breakfast. What? Joel is driving. We're meeting my dad and my younger brother and sister for breakfast. Zoe, say bye. Bye. Bobby.
Oh, that's bright.
No, it is right over there. We eat.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know.
You don't need to decide.
Zoe, what do you want? Did you get her eggs, babe?
Yeah. Hello. Dad, say hi. Say hi. Your hair looks crazy. Crazy baby. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. My shark ate you. Hi. Say hi. Oh my goodness! Hello, Bubbiness. You want to get dressed? We gotta go to church. You want to go to church? Okay, let's get dressed. Wow. Hello guys and good morning. Sorry, my hair is kind of messy. It is Sunday morning. I didn't get finished vlogging yesterday. We were actually gonna go to Joel's family's birthday party, but it didn't end up happening because he felt sick. So we didn't go anywhere. We just stayed home the entire day. So I was like, I'll just pick up the vlog tomorrow. It's fine. So he's actually feeling a lot better today, and he's at church already because he's going to be playing on the band today with his dad and his sister and some other friends of ours. And I'm super excited. It's our first time going to this church, and I just wanted to bring you guys along with us. We just got back from church. While we were at church, we found out that Kobe passed away, that he was killed in a helicopter crash, and that is just so tragic. Joel is like more down than I've ever seen him. He is so sad. I just feel for his family so much, especially because I read that his youngest daughter is practically a newborn. She was born in June of 2019, so she's probably only like 6 or 7 months right now. And that is just so sad to hear. And he has 4 daughters and obviously his wife. And I just feel for their family so bad. My brother-in-law, his brother Ezra, loves Kobe. So he said that he shed a few tears too, and I'm sure we'll see him later today. But it's just, oh man, I wasn't like, I've never been like a huge like fanatic over like a player or anything like that. But just like anybody like passing at the age of 41 with heck of kids and like their wife and everything, like that's just so sad. And it's just a reminder that life is so short and we're never promised a tomorrow. So we need to live every day like it could potentially be our last, and live it for Jesus. And just that, like, no matter how much like money and success we have in this like world, like you can't take material things with you. And so you think about people like Kobe, and it's like, wow, like he has all these rings. You get rings for winning things, right? He got all these rings for being amazing and greatest of all time and GOAT and all this, you know, and all this money, obviously. He got millions upon millions. He's probably a billionaire, right? Lots and lots of money that, I mean, we could only dream about as normal people, you know, but it's like, and he gets to take none of that with him to his afterlife. And that's just a crazy thought in itself. All that to say is that you can work so hard in this life, and I think it's great to work hard and to earn and to rise from the bottom and get to the top, and I think that's awesome and everything, but that should never be like our number one goal in life. You know, every single morning we should wake up and strive to be more and more like Jesus and closer to him, because nothing in this life is gonna go with us, you know? That's kind of just some thoughts that I had there. And obviously I am very, very, very sad for his family. I wish them all the condolences, and I just hope that his wife is gonna be okay.
I'm just sad, bro. It sucks.
Yeah, you know. Zoe, she's just sitting here. She did not do good in the church nursery, I'll say that. She lasted a whole 2 minutes and then they texted me, so that sucks. But she's watching The Good Dinosaur right now. While Joel and I are prepping, we are prepping to leave to go to his parents' house for lunch. They're having a few guests over there, including my mom. We're taking our laundry over there because we don't have a washer and dryer where we live, so we're going to go do our laundry there. Zoe, say it. Say hi, Char Char. Hi, Char Char. It's okay, Char. It's okay. Hi, Char Char. We are now on the way with our laundry. And in the front seat too, and Joel. We're on the way to Joel's parents' house for lunch. And we brought Charlie too. Okay, you guys, so we were doing laundry at Joel's parents' house, and this is Zoe's laundry right here. And you want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi, vlog. Vlog.
With a V.
Hi, vlog. Good to see you.
Anyways, Joel was doing laundry.
Jordan keeps throwing away. Making diapers in the laundry.
There was a diaper in her laundry. I didn't put it in there. I always tell her to throw away her diaper, so she must have put it in there. And he doesn't like go through and like grab them and like look through them and then put them in there.
I don't go through my daughter's laundry because it's so tiny and like you could just throw it in one load.
But he should go through it, you know, because she could put toys in there.
I go through our
and then
stuff.
You know, so, but I'm saying you have to go through hers because she puts stuff in there.
Well, the diaper wasn't even closed and there was no wipe in it.
Well, probably opened in the thing. There's probably a wipe somewhere in there.
No, I shook it all out.
Anyway, so the diaper like exploded. It was just pee, but exploded, and like the absorbent layer like looked like snow. And so he's had to clean the washer, and like these are her leggings right here. Like this is what all her clothes look like right now. Oh my gosh, it's too much. It's too much. Hey guys, so I am now back from my in-laws. Joel is actually at work. Look, this pimple has developed throughout the day, along with this. I'm looking crazy. We actually didn't get to finish all of our laundry because of that like diaper fiasco that happened. So we only got Zoe's laundry done. We still have like this big pile of our laundry, but we could just do it at our facilities here at the apartment in a couple of days or whenever Joel gets the chance to. Joel is actually at work, if you guys were wondering. It's Sunday night, which he normally doesn't work on Sundays, but his job, he works in production, for those of you guys who don't know, and it's just pretty much like, whoa! Like you have to work whenever there's like certain productions going on, like right now it's something downtown at the like convention center or something, and they have to do stuff. So all that to say is that he's gone, so it's just me and Zoe. So now I have to put away her laundry, kind of clean up the house, get her into a bath. She's so crazy over there with no shirt on. So I'll kind of show you guys how that goes. I want to take off this shirt right now. I'm feeling like so hot for whatever reason. Okay guys, I changed into this super stylish Mickey shirt, but I'm about to get the bath routine going, so let's get it. What? What are you saying? Hey, let's go get changed. Let's go get changed. Say hi. 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 Say good to meet you. I'm Zoe. I'm gonna put this lotion on her. We use the Aveeno Baby Daily Moisture Lotion, along with in the bath we use the Aveeno body wash. So here we go. Right in her hands I put it, so she can help. So she has a sense of that you're helping, huh? Okay. I always get her face good. Sorry that today wasn't much of a good vlog, or, you know, I just feel like I didn't have a lot of good content because it's like we did do stuff this weekend, but at the same time we didn't. I mean, Joel did a lot with like being on the band at this church and like we definitely felt like our schedules were pretty busy, but as far as like actual content, you know, like doing things that are not boring for people to watch, I feel like we didn't do a lot of. So that's why it seems kind of, I don't know. I'm not very happy with this content that I'm about to put out, but I do want to put it out for you guys because you guys really have loved the vlogs that I put out recently. And I don't know, I just want to keep putting things out that you guys will enjoy. And I don't know, if this isn't boring to you, let me know. Like, comment down below and say, Jordan, this isn't boring, because I honestly would love to hear that. And if it is, just keep your comments to yourself. For me, I like to watch like day in the life of like mommy videos. Like, that's so like cool for me to watch. I really like, I think her name is Caitlin Nair. I've been watching her as of like 2 weeks ago, and she's like really interesting because she just like shows what she does like every day in life. Not every day, but she just shows what she does in her daily life as a mom. And even though it's like probably not content for everybody, like it's content for me because I'm a mom too. Nana. Nana. Okay, let's put on your jammies, okay? Oh, wow, is that pretty? I always brush her hair with this like little comb.
Whoa.
Whoa, what are you doing? So hi.
Hi.
Hi. I didn't mean hi like that. What? You're so funny. For those of you who have been asking, Zoe is she's a year and a half. She's 19 months to be exact. I know people have hated when I say months, but yeah, as a mom, I like to know how many months a baby is. But I know people who don't have kids, they're like, why do they always say it in months? I'm like, once you have kids, you'll understand. I would say that 19 months is very different from 13 months, but they're both in a year. So that's why I don't like to say, oh, she's a year. You know what I mean? Show your hair. Do you like it? Ooh, she got this little red mark. She's matching mommy. I don't know how she got it. It'll probably fade away, but oh, dun 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 dun. Okay, go ahead and go play. I'm gonna put away this laundry that we just did at Joel's parents' house. I folded most of it, and then this stuff over here has to be hung up. Do you want a snack, Bubby? Say snack. Around this time of night, oh, here she is. Zoe goes to the refrigerator and the pantry and asks for a snack. So obviously we feed her dinner and stuff, but then she wants like a snack before she goes to bed. So I'm gonna see what we have. Hi. So we have decided that we're gonna have cuties. Sorry, I had to put the camera kind of low so you can see Zoe too. Okay, I'm doing it. She does not have the patience for cuties because you actually have to peel them. Also, I'll probably get some Ritz crackers for her as well. What are you even saying? I'm just gonna put some on a napkin for her. Here, scoot up, scoot in. She's sitting in a big girl chair. Also going to be giving her some Ritz whole wheat crackers. This one here says it has 5 grams of whole grain. So they're gonna, whoop, I dropped one. These are good because they're going to, you know, keep her tummy full throughout the night. And she never wakes up really like through the night, like ever. But I think if she were ever to, it'd probably be because of hunger. She definitely took a bite out of this and then put it back, but it's okay. I still love her. Oh, I saw that one had juice go everywhere. Oh, great. We're back in my bathroom, and Zoe is about to brush her teeth and wash her hands. I have her little Elmo toothbrush here. This is the one that we ended up buying the other day. I don't know if you guys remember my last vlog, or 2 vlogs ago. I couldn't remember which one to buy, or I couldn't decide which one to buy, sorry. So we got that, and then the toothpaste. Okay, let's brush teeth. Ready? She always has to stand up and do it. She just sucks on it. But it's good for them. I'll get in there, you know, but it's good for them to learn themselves. That's why I don't try to, like, show her. You're doing good, Bubby. You're just the cutest ever. Brush like this. Cheese. All right, you guys, so that was kind of some of our night routine. Come here. She's just repeatedly saying Anna because she wants to watch Frozen. Come here. Give hugs. Say bye. Give hugs. Love you. Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. I have to put this higher and higher because she's trying to reach it. And turn on your post notifications so you can know every single time I upload. And I hope that you guys have a really great day. Bye.